In today's video, I have a tiny technology penny stock incorporating AI and AR/XR technology in the entertainment sector. This company is turning the corner into profitability for the first time and is one of the smallest stocks I have ever talked about on the channel at less than $10 million. So in today's video, I will be talking about ESE Entertainment, ticker symbol ENTEF on the OTC markets, and ESE on the Canadian CVE exchange. Now we've got a lot to get through in this video, so I will try to keep this intro short, but if you find any value in this, can I ask you to smash the like button? I'm aiming to get 500 likes on this video. Help me hit that goal. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any new content like this. I want to point out that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence. Now let's get into it. ESE Entertainment is a global Canadian-based technology and entertainment company focused on gaming and esports. This company is listed on the Canadian CVE, ticker symbol ESE, and on the OTC pink sheets, ticker symbol ENTEF. The company provides a range of services to leading video game developers, publishers, and brands by providing technology, infrastructure, and fan engagement services internationally. ESE also operates its own e-commerce channels, esports teams, and gaming leagues. But their core asset is Bombi platform. ESE provides comprehensive services for high-impact events, from concept development and strategy to logistics, venue sourcing, and post-event content creation. The company has established itself as a trusted partner for major brands, leveraging its expertise to bridge esports and traditional sports with entertainment. And key business segments include live production and event management, handling tournaments and activations for esports giants, special effects and immersive tech, incorporating AI, AR and XR, and broadcast tools for enhanced experiences. Now, it's fair to say that the global online gaming market is one of the biggest markets in the world, currently valued at over $118 billion, but is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 11.2%, reaching over $276 billion by 2033. This is an industry that is home to some of the world's biggest companies, such as Electronic Arts, Ubisoft, Sony, and Microsoft. But there is another side to the gaming market that is growing at a much faster rate. And this is the global esports market. Currently, this is valued at only $3 billion, but is expected to grow at an annual rate of 21.9% over the next 10 years, reaching more than $16 billion. The esports and entertainment production market is experiencing explosive growth, driven by demand for immersive, high-quality live experiences. But the industry is slow to adopt technologies like AI and AR/XR or virtual reality. But ESE Entertainment aims to address the issues with their technology solutions, and the company is already getting the partnerships and acquisitions in place to attract major Tier 1 customers such as Activision Blizzard, ESL, and Electronic Arts. In addition to its core esports focus, ESE is actively expanding into traditional sports events, tapping into this multi-billion-dollar addressable market that complements its gaming expertise. And they are capitalizing on this by expanding into traditional sports with secured contracts from major traditional sports, including the NHL and WBC boxing. In October last year, ESE made a major move and acquired gaming production company Bombi Americas. This opened the door to working with some of the world's biggest companies. Recognized as a distinguished company within the video game sector, Bombi boasts a client roster featuring notable names like Microsoft, AMD, Electronic Arts, Red Bull, DreamHack, Ubisoft, and more, producing spectacular live events globally. Looking at the most recent investors presentation, which is focused solely on Bombi's subsidiary, we can see the range of services that they provide in live production, such as audio systems or custom studios, in special effects, such as pyrotechnics and AR/XR reality, as well as providing project management, content creation, and strategy to create world-class audio-video systems and breathtaking lighting solutions, and create immersive and dynamic spaces, but blending virtual and physical worlds through their virtual reality solutions. In partnership with Esports Engine, they delivered an electrifying production at the ALGS Gear 4 Championship finals this year, the Call of Duty Major 3 in 2024, as well as the return of the PGL Major in Copenhagen also in 2024. In recent news, Bombi was the official partner for New Era Sports and Entertainment for WBC Interim World Title fight during the summer. The production marked another milestone in the growing partnership between Bombi and New Era Boxing, solidifying Bombi's role as a growing key player in live sports and entertainment production. They were also selected to deliver the technical production for Bell Esports Challenge at Fan Expo Canada, held in August, for the third year in a row with partners Overactive Media, Maelstrom Entertainment, and Red Bull. So the fact that this is the third year in a row delivering technical production here shows that once they get their foot in the door at these events, they are proving to be a source of recurring revenue, which is only growing each year. And I will look at this in just a moment. Hamir Castile, CEO of Bombi Americas, stated that we're proud to support such a great Canadian event. This is the largest community-focused event of the year and always showcases amazing homegrown talent. Bombi was also the production and event partner for the 2025 Call of Duty League Championships held from June 26th to June 29th. And all of these are leading to record revenues for the company. Because ESE recently released Bombi's financial results for the quarter. Record revenue of $3.7 million, up 109% quarter over quarter compared to just $1.7 million in the previous period. Gross profit of over $500,000 for the period ended July 31st compared to $207,000 for the prior quarter. So the gross profit has more than doubled and the margin has improved from 11.6% up to 14%. So revenues are going up and they are becoming more cost efficient, leading the company to turn the corner from loss into profit making as they recorded adjusted EBITDA of $35,000 compared to a loss of $185,000 for the previous period. Now remember that this is a tiny penny stock company valued at only a few $1,000,000, so revenues and profits are never going to be huge at this growth stage, but to be in the position of turning the corner into profit is great. And this is something that we don't see very often with these very small penny stock plays. Conrad Welsa, CEO of ESE Entertainment, stated, "We are thrilled to report record-breaking period for Bombi. Our ability to execute at the highest level for major clients and international events is translating directly into strong financial performance. These results validate Bombi's role as a cornerstone of our strategy and a significant contributor to shareholder value." Looking ahead, Bombi expects continued momentum into the next quarter with a growing pipeline of opportunities across gaming, traditional sports, and live entertainment. So guys, what do you think of ESE Entertainment? This really could be a great high-risk, high-reward play given its growth potential and execution so far, with Bombi turning the corner into profitability and showing huge revenue growth. There's not that many companies out there that are this small, valued at only a couple of $1,000,000, that are actually producing real revenue, and the fact they're turning the corner from loss into profitability is amazing. But guys, what do you think? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next